Hey there, sugar lovers. Welcome back to our channel where today we are diving into the world of healthy sweets for diabetics. If you have a sweet tooth but need to watch your sugar intake, this video is for you. We're bringing you delicious, guilt-free treats that will satisfy your cravings without messing with your blood sugar levels. So sit back, relax, and get ready to treat yourself in a healthy way. As a diabetic, it's crucial to be mindful of the foods we consume, especially when it comes to sweets. Traditional desserts are often packed with refined sugar and unhealthy fats, which can wreak havoc on our blood sugar levels. But fear not. There are plenty of delicious alternatives out there that are not only diabetic-friendly, but also incredibly nutritious. By opting for healthier sweets, we can still enjoy the flavors and textures we love without compromising our health. Now, you might be wondering, what makes these sweets so special? Well, for starters, they are typically made with natural sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit, which have little to no impact on blood sugar levels. This means you can indulge in your favorite treats without experiencing those dreaded sugar spikes. Additionally, many of these desserts are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, providing a more balanced and satiating option compared to traditional sweets. So not only are you satisfying your sweet tooth, but you're also nourishing your body in the process. Recipe 1. Sugar-free banana bread. Let's kick things off with a classic favorite, banana bread. This sugar-free version is moist, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. To make this delicious treat, you'll need ripe bananas, almond flour, eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, and a touch of cinnamon. Blend all the ingredients together, pour the batter into a loaf pan, and bake until golden and fragrant. The result? A heavenly loaf of banana bread that is perfect for breakfast, as a snack, or a guilt-free dessert. Trust me, you won't miss the sugar one bit. Recipe 2. Chocolate avocado mousse. Next up, we have a decadent chocolate avocado mousse that will knock your socks off. Avocado might sound like an unusual sweet ingredient, but trust me, it works wonders in this creamy and indulgent dessert. Simply blend ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a splash of almond milk, and a hint of maple syrup or stevia until smooth and velvety. Chill the mousse in the fridge for a few hours to let the flavors mingle, then dig in and enjoy the rich chocolatey goodness guilt-free. It's like eating a bowl of chocolate frosting, but healthier. Recipe 3. Raspberry chia seed pudding. For our final recipe, we're going to whip up a refreshing and nutrient-packed raspberry chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Combine them with almond milk, a touch of sweetener, and fresh raspberries for a delightful dessert that is as good for you as it is delicious. Mix everything together. Let it sit in the fridge overnight to thicken, and top with additional berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for added crunch. This pudding is a perfect treat for any time of day, whether as a light breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a simple dessert. And there you have it, folks. Healthy sweets for diabetics that are sure to satisfy your cravings and nourish your body at the same time. Whether you're in the mood for banana bread, chocolate mousse, or chia seed pudding, these guilt-free treats are easy to make and even easier to enjoy. So why settle for sugary desserts that leave you feeling sluggish and unwell when you can indulge in these delicious and nutritious alternatives? Treat yourself the right way and keep those blood sugar levels in check. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetic-friendly recipes and tips. Stay sweet and stay healthy.